According to the schematic, this weld needs reinforcement.
I agree. Let's adjust the robotic arm parameters.
Can you isolate the stress points on the primary strut?
Pulling up the data now. Looks stable.
Green across the board, engineer. We have a solid lock.
Make sure that aligns with the schematic on page 12. The input bay is clear. Acknowledged. Installing now.
Check the torque settings on the hydraulics.
Reading confirmed on the tablet. Everything is within tolerance.
Make sure that edge is completely smooth.
Got it. No leaks reported yet?
Look at the fluctuation on Sector 7.
That spike correlates exactly with the outage yesterday.
We need to isolate that anomaly before it propagates.
Check the parameters for zone 3.
Adjusting the flow rate now. We should be within tolerance.
Bring her down slowly. Watch the clearance.
Clear.
Engaging the riveting sequence now.
Steady, steady. You're drifting slightly left.
Adjusting.
Okay, we are perfectly aligned. Lock it down.
Great job, everyone. It looks amazing. We need to route this bundle through the C bracket before securing the connector.
Okay, let me check the schematic for the torque setting.
The fit on the cowl is perfect. Let's proceed with the riveting sequence.
Agreed. All systems are green.
Connection secure on J25.
Noted. Proceed to the auxiliary harness, position 4.
Keep it steady on the starboard side, Mark.
Copy that. Increasing tension now.
Okay, we are fully seated on the aft locks.
Confirmed. Clear for latch engagement. Check the alignment here at the coupling joint.
Run a scope now. Looks within tolerance.
All right, confirming the sign-off sequence.
A little lower. Steady now.
We are aligned. Locking engaged.
Spooling up to target. Monitor the thrust bearings.
Levels stable. We have a successful spin test.
Engines are officially online. Final checks on the hydraulics.
Copy that. The power output is stable across both units. Torque sequence complete on position 4.
Readings are good. Installation confirmed.
Okay, verify the alignment here.
Looks good. Applying torque now. And confirmed secure.
Cycle complete. TGS nominal.
Green across the board. Calibration successful.
Flight displays engaged.
Confirmed. Fuel pumps, auto.
Check the FMS reading on page 3 after the knob adjustment.
Reading confirmed. We are within the parameters for this altitude.
Pressure looks good on the gauge.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with the tail section test.
Mayday, Mayday, this is Sector 6 requesting immediate vector change for Flight 49er.
We need to secure this bracket to the rib.
Okay, let's check the torque specs on the tablet.
According to the schematic, this section should be clear.
The clearance here is tight. Let's double check the measurements.
Okay, easy now, watch the wires. Clear on this side.
Push it up.
All right, latch in the top clip. All right, bring it forward slowly.
Clear on this side.
Watch the wiring harness. Slowly now, watch the alignment on the left.
It's clear. Bring it down another foot.
All right, easy. Set it right there, looks good. There's a slight inconsistency in the weave right here.
I see it. I see it. I'll log that immediately.
Yeah.
And here is a blanket for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Check the hydraulics on the main gear. Pressure is fluctuating.
Noted. Brake assembly looks good. Ready for sign off on this section.
Clear on the cowling?
clear on the left wing. Keep coming forward.
Roger that. Steady speed.
All baggage loaded, rear hold secured.
Confirmed. We are clear for departure checks.
Runway 27 is clear. Send the heavy.
Roger, traffic released.
Check, check. 1, 2. Testing the main PA system. We are live in 5 minutes. Clear the floor, please.